I'm Shimani and welcome to Shimani's Wonderland. Today is my first ever episode and I'm going to be drawing a snowman. It'll be really fun. I hope you join us. And today I'm going to draw a snowman. You'll need something to draw with, something to color with. And if you're using pencil, you might want to put a marker, trace with a marker. I'm using Sharpie. First, I'm going to draw a simple, easy circle on top, like a small circle. Next, I'm going to connect from that circle down. Then I'm going to make an even bigger one, coming down from that one. It's okay if it's not straight because snow is, it's hard to get snow straight. So it's a snowman. So we're gonna go and give him some buttons. 1, 2, 3. Yay. I'm gonna shade those in. And I'm gonna draw the hands now. Like a stick. So sticks you find in winter. I'm sure this is gonna be a really good snowman. It's really hard to actually just draw it, so I like to turn it around and draw it to get a perfect, nice snow shape. We can do little lines on the carrot if you want. Now I'm gonna draw 2 eyes too. Shade this in. And now I'm gonna draw a smile. Like some bumpy lines to make it look furry. A little hat, and I'm gonna draw a beautiful rainbow above it, but not in this inside, just like one big curve. Then I'm gonna put a circle in it, but this time I'm not gonna shade it. And what else do I need for my snowman? I'm gonna do that stocking happy. Yay! And I guess that was quick. So I guess more time for coloring. So I'm gonna use a brown pencil for Faber-Castell, and a brown. Well, you could actually do it. You could shade it in with like 2 different brown colors. Like. You could do it with a dark brown and light brown. That would look really cool. Ooh, shade in her hand. Okay. I'm gonna color her. I better. Ooh, and I almost forgot the thing. Switching back to pencils. We have to draw the snow. Is the trees. Yay! So I'm gonna draw 2 lines just like that. Big triangle. And then a bit littler. And then a bit littler. My art teacher taught me this trick. And I like the shape of the trees because they look so good. I'm gonna draw 1 here too. You don't have to do these trees, but it's a fun decoration. is you can make it thick and you can cover up your mistake. So that doesn't look like it's falling apart. Make it thick, make it thick. Yay! And drop. And you don't have to use a replacer. So we're back to coloring it again. Yeah. Now I'm gonna need some red. I didn't even plan I was gonna do this cute really smiley face, but I did. Hey, what's this? Does that look really cool? And a yellow, 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 yellow. For this extremely beautiful snowman. I mean, snow woman. That in and holy moly, it looks beautiful. And I forgot to tell you, you can color the hat whatever color you want. Okay, I'm gonna go really careful. Moment. now what I always do then here is sign my name. SK is my initials. And write down your initials like something like that. Okay, and now we're done.